When McLaren introduced the 720S Spider in 2020, it wasn't just another convertible supercar. It was a masterclass in engineering, design, and sheer driving exhilaration. But what makes this open-top beast stand out in a sea of high-performance machines? Today, we're diving deep into the details that define the 2020 McLaren 720S Spider, from its groundbreaking aerodynamics to its mind-bending performance. Buckle up. At first glance, the 720 Spider is a visual masterpiece, sleek, aggressive, and unmistakably McLaren. But every line serves a purpose. The dihedral doors aren't just for drama. They enhance accessibility in tight spaces. The retractable hardtop? A marvel of engineering, operates in just 11 seconds at speeds up to 31 mph, transforming from coupe to convertible seamlessly. Now let's talk aerodynamics. The 720 Spider doesn't just cut through the air, it manipulates it. The double-skin rear flying buttresses channel airflow to reduce turbulence, while the active rear wing adjusts on the fly for optimal downforce or drag reduction. The result? A car that's as stable at 200 mph as it is at 50. Underneath that sculpted rear deck lies McLaren's monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing 710 horsepower and 568 lb-ft of torque. That's enough to rocket the 720 Spider from -60 mph in just 2.7 seconds, and onto a top speed of 212 mph, even with the roof down. But raw numbers only tell half the story. The 720S Spider's power delivery is razor-sharp, thanks to its lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and rear-wheel drive precision. Unlike some rivals, there's no artificial soundtrack here, just pure, unfiltered mechanical symphony. McLaren's carbon fiber monocage 2 chassis is the backbone of the 720S Spider, providing exceptional rigidity without the weight penalty of a traditional convertible. That means no flex, no compromise. Paired with proactive chassis control 2, the suspension reads the road 500 times per second, adjusting damping forces for buttery smooth rides or track-ready sharpness at the push of a button. Even with the roof down, there's minimal scuttle shake, a testament to McLaren's obsessive engineering. This isn't just a fast car, it's a Potter precision instrument. Step inside, and the 720S Spider blends minimalist elegance with cutting-edge tech. The driver-focused cockpit features McLaren's folding driver display, which retracts into a slimline mode to emphasize the road ahead. The center-mounted 8-inch touchscreen handles infotainment, though purists will appreciate the absence of unnecessary distractions. Luxury. Oh, it's here, optional. Bowers & Wilkins audio, Alcantara trim, and climate control that actually works with the top down. But make no mistake, this cabin is built for driving, not lounging. So who is the 720S Spider for? If you crave the thrill of a track weapon with the versatility of a daily able convertible, there's nothing quite like it. It's more engaging than a Ferrari 488 Spider, more refined than a Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider, a true unicorn in the supercar world. What do you think? Would you take the Spider over the coupe? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth supercar breakdowns. Until next time, drive fast, stay safe.